Howdy YouTube friends. Alright, my boy is tall enough to operate the riding mower without tripping the safety switch on the seat. First time this year, so he's been doing a whole bunch of mowing, bagging, hauling water out to our stuff, hauling garbage down to the road. So as a reward for doing man work, I got him his first ever knife, first Swiss Army knife. This is my first ever knife, which I've shown in a couple videos. Super proud that I still have this. It'd be about 42 years I've had this. Grandpa gave it to me. Pretty sure I was around 8. So this is my first ever knife. And then I think around 12 my mom got me this, either a fisherman or an angler, something like that. It's got all the basic stuff. So it has scissors, Phillips, reamer, the package hook carrier thing. Instead of a saw, it has a fish descaler and a hook remover thing. And if your fish is tiny, you can measure it. So I've loved this thing. Mostly I don't ever carry it, but I always take it out of town or camping, mostly just in case. And also I love the can opener. Swiss Army can opener. This little tiny thing came in a garage sale toolbox full of black powder, pistol and supplies. But here we go. It's the Smoky Mountain exclusive Wandering Bigfoot version of the Hiker. So it is the Hiker. Here's what it has. We cut some corn on the cob just a little bit ago with it, with the main blade. Cut good. Otherwise, I haven't done anything with this. It does have the saw, and Swiss Army saws are wonderful. I have to get my boy to trim a couple tree branches with it to try it out. So it's got all the basic stuff: saw, small blade, the flathead bottle opener, small flat can opener, reamer with the sewing hole, and the Phillips. And of course the toothpick and tweezers. Looks pretty cool. My boy likes Bigfoot stuff. We were about to go Bigfoot hunting and it got postponed. We might be going again the end of July. Try to find us some big feets. So, quick video, here it is. It's my boy's first knife. Seems pretty important moment as a reward for all the work he's been doing. So thank you, Jesse boy, and thanks everybody for watching.